What's up guys, Chad with drawersystems.com, and I just finished up a drawer system and it's pretty unique, so you're going to want to stick around for this video. This is for an Ineos Grenadier. Looks pretty standard from here. We have the 110, 120 volt AC ports with USB-C, USB-A. We have the trim wing on both sides, DC port, USB-C, USB-A over here. Standard stuff. Ironman 40-liter drawer style fridge. I've been using this a lot. I really like this style refrigerator. It's got plenty of room, for a few days at camp, and it doesn't take up much room. So if you're building a drawer system or you're thinking about buying one or having one built, consider this. It's really great because you not only get two drawers over here, pretty good size drawers with locking marine slam latches, you also get a third drawer, which is here. So you can put your grill, your gas stove in here, your cutlery, odds and ends for camping. And then underneath, you get the big prep surface. So this is a butcher block prep surface. You could actually put your grill here and cook here, or just use it as prep, leave the grill here, however you want to do it. But overall, you have a lot of space for your stuff. Drawer system's made with cabinet grade birch. It's the lightweight birch that I find here in Miami, Florida. It's imported. The actual drawers themselves are 1/2-inch birch, and everything is coated with 3 coats of Raptor liner. I've been spraying this stuff for almost 10 years. I use it on all my drawer systems. Absolutely love it. It looks great. It protects the surface. It's waterproof, and it's definitely going to hold up to some abuse. So let me get to why this is unique. First things first, this right here. So I just started using this. This is probably the second or third build. This is a recessed L-track system by Van Essentials, vanessentials.com. So obviously a lot of van builds have this. You can mount it on the wall, do whatever. And here, this actually allows you to have multiple mounting points and removable hooks and things that you want to attach to this. And then when you don't need it, you just take it and it looks really nice and clean. And it's only about 3/16 of an inch in height, so very low profile. You can put your bags across, no problem. And then you can see here we have the top trim pieces that you can go up and down. So overall, pretty standard here. This is, like I said, my normal build. So let's get to the second reason why this is unique. So this is actually the back side of the drawer system. It's a dual side drawer system because this actually is going to sit on the goose gear plate system. The customer has already removed the middle row seats. There's no seats. They're gone. And so the seats are gone, and there's a platform right here. So imagine the front seats are here, platform here, and I would open the back passenger door here. So the opening of the door is almost flush with this. So you have a nice flat surface here. And the reason is they have a dog, and the dog is actually going to have the dog bed on this surface. So while they're driving, they can actually attach and secure the dog to the drawer system via the vertical L-track that I installed. So first that I know of in a drawer system. And if you have a dog and you're thinking about building something, consider this. It's a great option because you can move the hook if you want it higher or middle, depending on the dog. Maybe it's taking a nap, you put it lower. Great option for securing the dog. And then over here, vent for the back of the fridge. Nice size storage area below the fridge itself, so you can put tools and a bunch of things here. You have access to the fuses here, so there's a Blue Sea fuse system here. And then over on the passenger side, 2 more cubbies with plenty of room. You can put the dog food, dog toys, anything dog related in one of these. You could use one for recovery gear. You could use one you could put a bottle jack in there, whatever you think. But again, it keeps it nice and clean. So I would say that's the second reason that makes it unique. Obviously because it has the dual side and the dog tie down system. But the last one, the third reason, is that I didn't want this to look kind of like, you know, unfinished while you're driving. So imagine you're driving, you look backwards, and I didn't want you to see on the sides of the actual drawer system itself, because this is storage, right? Your wheel well is here. So what I did is I made these rear trim pieces on cabinet hinges, so you could put your chairs and you know, fill it with junk, and then close this and close the top, and now everything's hidden, and you're not, you know, you're not just looking at it all. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. Overall, I'm excited about it. I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions on this, go ahead and post them in the comments below. If you're thinking about getting a drawer system for your vehicle, head over to the website. Even if you're going to build it or buy from somewhere else, head over to my website, drawersystems.com. Check out some of my builds. Maybe you'll get some inspiration from the other builds that I've done. And if you want, hit me up, because I can ship nationwide. I'm here in Miami, Florida, so if you're in Florida, you can come down to the shop. If not, happy to ship it out to you. Other than that, guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.